Hi everyone. This probably isn't the smartest thing to be doing with me teaching in a couple of hours, but I just can't wait. My AKRacing California Napa chair arrived just after lunch. I want to dive in, so here we go. Let's do the unboxing. I'm gonna grab my knife. It is almost 3 and I have to get ready to teach. So I think I'm gonna have to, it's not totally lining up here. Kind of have to make sure that I get it right. So I will come back to this a little bit later. Okay, so I'm back, done teaching for the night. While I was waiting for my first student to zoom in, I couldn't resist. I put the wheels on. They went in very easily. So snapped on, looks cool. Chair meets the approval of my Monday students. Now, because this didn't line up completely, what I'm going to do is we're going to start over. I suspect the issue is I did not have the seat at the correct angle. So these need to be, oh, and I think I did loosen this. Oh, yeah, because that was when I was trying to find a hole that was not there. So these guys have to be bang on straight up. Oh yeah. So that is step 7 and step 8. On to step 9. Oh, these are going to be way too much fun. Let's take a closer look here at the underbelly. So this is very nice and strong. Look at how well these are reinforced. That's super sturdy. There is a little give there, so I can bring that in. It's at its closest to the body, which fit me fine. So I think I'm just going to leave that be. The only issue is going to be whether or not I can still play piano ergonomically correct with them on, or if I'm going to need to just remove them. Okay, I appreciate the work gloves, but okay, yeah, now I need the work gloves. just looped that through underneath. Oh, that isn't, hang on, that's twisted. There we go. There's a, just get there. And then this thing that looked like a suba, just because this is like so, according to the diagram, just do that and then feed it through like that and like that. And then that can move up and down a little bit based on height, as is that can move up and down a bit. I know. I guess it would have to go like that. There we go. This is the first time ever that the neck and lumbar support are in the correct spot. Oh, spinning not good. Alright, so we got the wheels. Now I can move. Okay. At its highest, it is like every other office chair that I've had. I wish it would tilt down a bit. At its lowest, it looks like the base, bottom of the seat base is like 14.5 inches from the floor, which is really the closest it's ever been. This is like perfectly contoured. This is, yeah. Cool. It's squishies. If I'm typing or whatever, and I want to be completely on the ground, I would have to pull this forward more. It's not locking up. That's as far forward as it goes. If you look at a regular chair, that much is off the floor. So that is the closest I've been. It does still look like I'm going to need a footrest. I can play piano unimpeded. Desk, let's do that test next. So when a student does come in for lessons, they're going to be a good 6+ feet away from me. And here I am at my studio desk. Okay, so this feels good. The back support is great. I've done a little bit of research into the tilt mechanism, and it seems to be that a big problem, or a common problem, is that the tilt mechanism is very little of a tilt. So I thought I would just take the mechanism off the chair so I could take a closer look. What I did was I put a little bit of WD-40 in here. Tilt mechanism is here, and I have it maximum loose. So take a look at this. There's a little bit of give right there, but not much. Now I'll go the other way. Righty tighty. So yeah, definitely there's not much happening on this end. There's someone else who said that they only were able to tilt back when they were in full recline, and they did not feel very secure about that at all. That is probably the one drawback to this chair. Otherwise, it's It's fine. It's more than fine. Yeah, that's definitely not a 30-degree tilt at all. Some people have written in saying they've had issues with the tilt, and the official comment is just adjust the knob here for the tension. But that does not, this is at its loosest. I can't move it possibly anymore without breaking the mechanism. So, and at that price, I'm not too keen on breaking this chair anytime soon. Okay, so it could be a thing, a matter of over time and use, the bits will start to loosen up. I don't know. I'll check in a few months, a few weeks. Well, that's it. This is the AKRacing California, the Napa color scheme. Till next time. Oh my gosh. I could nap.